Okay, hey everyone. So someone asked me to show how to wear the Shunka dress. So we have it in our highlights, but I'm just going to show it again. It's kind of windy out here. So for starters, you can wear it plain. You don't need any belt. But if you want to know how to use a belt, you can just wrap the belt around the whole dress and just tie it. Of course, that's simple. That's easy. Just reposition the layers however you want it, the pleats, and you're good to go. But if you want to get all cool, in the side seam, right above the pocket, there is a little slit. See, I have my finger through it. So I'm going to take the belt, I'm going to feed it through that hole. Now I'm just going to reach through the buttons or underneath the dress, but since I'm on camera, I'm going to go through the buttons and go around the dress. And then in the other side seam, there is another hole, and I'm going to feed the belt back out through. Okay, so now we have both ends of that belts pulled out. If you tug on them, you should feel it against the back of your dress. And now you can tie it in a bow or not, however you would like, and then just reposition it and layer, move around the pleats however you like. So that's another look, but wait, there's still more. So now I'm gonna stick my fingers inside the loops where the belts are coming out of. I have to find them, yes. And now I have my fingers here, and I'm gonna drag them all the way back. Now, when I let go, there's gonna be this whole other look. It's gonna look like I'm wearing like a separate piece, almost like a cape. And then you have this like cinched look at the waist, but still have that oversized, flowy, capey look. Okay, and then remember that you can wear the whole dress backwards, so with the buttons in the front, which is great for maternity, and you have this look, but like slightly different. So right now, the buttons are in the back, but you can wear it the other way too.